Good morning, students. In our GK class, today we are going to study chapter 39, Unit of Measurement, chapter 40, Space Talk, and chapter 41, Go Green. Chapter 40. So, there are 7 basic SI unit to measure various quantities. They are meter, kilogram, second, ampere, candela, mole and the Kelvin. So let us get some basic knowledge to units of measurement with the help of the multiple choice quiz. Check the correct answer. So first one is, which of these is the unit of temperature? Which of these is a unit of temperature? Kelvin. Kelvin is the unit of temperature. Second one, meter is the unit of measure. Meter is the unit of measure length. B, second length. Third one, C, which of the following is not used as the unit of temperature? Which of the following is not used as the unit of temperature? It is Newton. Next one is 1000 centimeter is equal to 1000 centimeter is equal to 10 meters. Second, 10 meters. E, calorie is the unit of heat. Third one, heat. F, the pendulum can be used to measure. Pendulum can be used to measure time. Third, time. G, light year is the unit of measure. Light year is the unit of measure distance. Third, distance. H, Hertz is the SI unit of frequency. First one, it is frequency. How many kilograms makes a quintal? Second one, 100 kilograms makes a quintal. So which one of these is the unit of work of energy? So answer is second one, joule. Joule is the work of energy. So now we will read chapter 40, Space Talk. So here are the picture of some astronaut. Write their names in the space provided using the help box. So who is the first one? First one is Rakesh Sharma. So Rakesh Sharma, Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma AC is the former Indian Air Force pilot. He is the only citizen who travel in space. Second one is, who is second one? Second one is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was an American astronaut engineer and the first woman of Indian origin to go to the space. Third one is the Yuri Gagarin. Who is Yuri Gagarin? Yuri Gagarin was the Soviet Air Force pilot and cosmonaut who became the first human to journey into outer space. Next one is Sunita Williams. Now D is Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is an American astronaut and United States Navy officer. The last one is E. There is Neil Armstrong. So Neil Alden Armstrong was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer and the first person to walk in the moon. Now second, write the names of these Indian satellites using the help box. Which satellite is this? First one is the Aryabhat. First one is the Aryabhat. Aryabhat was India's first satellite named after the famous Indian astronomer Aryabhat. Second is INSAT 1C. INSAT 1C is the third in the first generation satellite. Next one is Bhaskar. Bhaskar, first and second, were two satellites built by the Indian Space Research Organization. INSAT 1D. INSAT 1D is launched in 12 June 1990. Apple. The full name of the Apple is Ariane Passenger The full name of Apple is the Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. It is launched in 19 June 1981. And the last one is Rohini. Rohini is a series of satellites launched by the Indian Space Research Organization. And now the last chapter. Next chapter is 41, Go Green. So here are some statements regarding our contribution to the environment. Write T for the right and F for the wrong statement. We should buy bottle produced products instead of those packed in plastic container. Is it true? True. So use all the writing papers on both sides. We should write on the both side of the writing paper. It is true. So it is very difficult to carry things in paper bags, so the use plastics bags should not be stopped. It is false. Save energy by turning off lights when they are not required. It is true. We should make our effort to plant trees in order to make the air clean. It is true. We should cut down trees for fuel. No, it is false. So only the single side of a blank sheet should be used. No, it is false. We should not reuse plastic containers. It is false. We should use a plastic container. We should reuse the plastic container. So save water by turning off the faucet while you brush your teeth. Save water while turning off the it is true. We should not create any garbage dumps in the area. It is true. We should pluck flowers only from public parks or garden. It is false. We should not pluck the flowers from anywhere. So use paper grocery bags to make book cover rather than buying new ones. It is true. We should not spit just anywhere. It is true. We should throw our garbage only in the river. It is false. We should not throw our garbage in the river because river may be polluted. So chapter 39, 40 and 41 is completed. You will complete your chapter in your book and note both and learn all. Okay. Good day, students.